to just go ahead and do the stand while I'm at it. And I might try the Speedy Cam. I would have music on, but I know how YouTube doesn't like music, which is okay. So I have the music in the other room for my bird. Yes, Sweetie likes to listen to music. This one actually feels like it's about to fall off. That one. So I cheat. Even though this says that all you need is little nose pliers, don't believe them. Just don't believe them. Okay. Oh, wait a second. I boo-booed. Yes, I did. I boo-booed. Wait a second. Yes, I boo-booed. This is supposed to actually go like this, in a little square. And then this little tab fits in here. God, I have a feeling I'm about to break that little thing. So once I get this in here, oh dear. Oop, there's my dollar. Hang on just a second. Well, as you can see, this little piece right here, it broke off. So no. So I want to put this in here. Let me get my eyeballs on. Put that in there like that. And then put that like that. And by the magic of super glue, we're gonna take care of this little powerbomb. Yes, we are. Taking me my other super glue pot. And I know it's a long distance viewing, but like I said, oops, it broke and it came off. So we'll pile some super glue on here like this and see what happens. I'm not going to try to bend it eyeballs. I think the thing is this stuff, building one of these will help with fiddling with PE, I should say. Wouldn't y'all think? No. This is alright. Gotta squeeze my face. Oh, sorry, I'm singing. That's embarrassing. I do that too when I'm... Let's see if I can break this one. Oopie! Hope not. Okay, bend it like this. Bend it like that. Okay, how far do we need to go? Okay. This is the one. Okay, we go like this. And this bends this way. Ah! Okay. Okay. See? Okay. Trying to let that dry. And doing this down here is easier said than done. So, and this like that. A little bit more. A little bit more. I'll get this one. And this. Voila! Okay, now, since this part goes in here, yeah, I'm gonna have to wait until I get the airplane on. Right? No, I can go ahead and fit this on here like so. Come on. Why do you do this to me? Because I'm a model and I can. Bend these little things down like this and make you a little stand like so. Okay, and one cute little stand. Now, bye-bye. And I hope you enjoyed.